Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Brainy Techs and Ideas. This video is going to be a very important video for those creators who all are focusing on YouTube Shorts, as I'm going to tell you about some of the important updates YouTube has launched for short videos. So don't skip the video and watch it completely so that you don't miss out on any of the updates. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So as you all know, YouTube is continuously working on its shorts feature, and every few days some updates are launched regarding that. And in this video, I'm going to tell you regarding some of the new updates which will be launched by YouTube. Some of the features have already been incorporated and some of them would be incorporated in near future within a week or so. Okay, now let's talk about the updates. The first one among them is 60 seconds recording with Shorts camera. Previously or even till today, you could record up to 30 seconds only, but now you will be able to switch from 30 to 60 seconds if you are recording with Shorts camera. Okay, here I am not talking about the pre-recorded videos and then uploading them. I am talking about the videos which are recorded with Shorts camera. But keep in mind, if you are using music from YouTube library while making a short video, the timing will be capped at 30 seconds only. That means you will be able to record a video only up to 30 seconds. So here the thing is, you will be able to record a 60 seconds video or a 30 seconds video as per your choice if you are not using music from YouTube library. But if you are using music from YouTube's library, you will be able to make only 30 seconds video with Shorts camera. Now moving on to second update. Second update is regarding the Shorts camera filter feature. Now you will be able to use different camera filters while recording or editing your short videos. You will be able to color correct your videos and change the vibe of the video as per your choices. Okay, so different filter features will be added to YouTube Shorts camera, and many more filters are going to be added in near future too. Now the third update is regarding the captions. Captions will be added automatically, or the creator can choose to add captions manually and enter themselves the captions, and the user will have the option to choose between automatic or manual captions. Now along with this, I am going to talk about one more feature which has already been introduced. As I said, some features have already been introduced and some will be introduced in near future. So this feature has already been introduced, that is the Shorts tab. Now if you look at my screen in YouTube app, you will be able to see a Shorts tab at the bottom of the application. You can see this feature in YouTube app only. Okay, it will not be available on desktop. It is available only on YouTube app. Along with this Shorts tab feature, one more feature has been introduced, that is the Explore tab, which is, if you open the app, is the first one in the feed on the upper left corner of the app. Now if I go back, here is the Explore tab. Okay, let me show you. This is the Explore tab. So it is at the upper left corner of the app. You can see that on my screen as well. Okay, so if we click on this Explore tab, you'll find different categories over here: trending, music, gaming, news, films, fashion, beauty, learning, live, and sports. So it is very useful for the creators, as they can create content as per the categories shown here, and it is also very useful for the viewers so that they can see the trending videos they haven't seen before, or they can browse through these categories and they can watch the videos of the category of their choice. So this is also an important feature which has been added over here. So this was all about the updates from YouTube regarding YouTube Shorts videos. I hope you liked the video, and if you have really liked the video, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you never miss it. Thank you so much and stay tuned for next video.